Hi, I'm Lindsay with MFG.com, and I'm going to show you how you can bring products to market faster by finding suppliers that have the right expertise, credentials, and capacity to meet your sourcing needs. Let's go to our MFG.com buyer dashboard and see the different ways that we can connect with suppliers. First, let's go by selecting Create New RFQ to the left-hand side of our screen. From here, you'll recognize that we're coming to the Create Request for Quote template, and we're going to go ahead and skip over the part details and RFQ details and come down to the last section, which is who should receive this RFQ. Now, one thing that's important to note is the entire time that you're filling out the request for quote details, MFG.com is actually taking all of your responses and coming up with a list of suppliers that meet your exact specifications. So once you hit submit, your RFQ is automatically distributed, and then those suppliers with capacity respond and quote on your RFQ. Now, say you want to take it to a next level and you'd actually rather hand-pick all the suppliers that will receive your RFQ. What you would do is deselect auto-match suppliers and you would go over to address book suppliers. You could come over here and select suppliers directly from your MFG.com address book. But the question is, how do you get suppliers into your address book? Let's head up to the top and I'll show you how. Let's go ahead and select the Suppliers tab. And from here, under Supplier Management, let's select Discover Suppliers. So now let's go ahead and select the manufacturing category that we want our suppliers to come from. So how about we are going to be looking for, let's say, fabrication suppliers. We'll go ahead and select fabrication. And instead of North America, how about we just do the US? And you know what? If we actually wanted to take it down by region, we have those capabilities as well. But let's make it a little bit more broad. So let's continue to move forward. And let's head over to certifications. And let's say that we want them to all be ISO compliant. Alright, so let's go ahead and say search now. And then once we get these suppliers, let's say that we only want to work with those suppliers that have been rated by past MFG.com buyers, which means that they have a blue star rating. So let's go ahead and select some blue star suppliers. And we'll put a couple green ones in there too. And now we have the option to either send our RFQ directly to them or add these selected suppliers to an address book. So you can see we can easily create a new group and we just give it a group name. We would hit save. Or I'm going to actually add these to my fabrication suppliers list already. I select OK. And there you have it. We've actually reviewed two different ways that you can quickly connect with suppliers that are an exact fit for your sourcing needs. Because MFG.com shortens the time between creation, quote, and award, you can now bring your products to market more quickly than ever before. Thanks for joining me today and have a great day.